Hi, I am Dom Cavallero, training specialist for Malco Automotive products. Today I'm going to take you through the proper application of our new Epic Pro Plus ceramic coating with graphene. If you were previously certified to install the regular Epic Pro ceramic coating, that certification applies to Epic Pro Plus and you do not need to be recertified. If you take the Epic Pro Plus certification, you will also be certified to install the regular Epic Pro ceramic coating. Since the launch of our original Epic ceramic coating in 2018, technology available has changed, and the Epic ceramic coating system now offers two options for ceramic coating a vehicle. The Epic Pro ceramic coating, which was launched in early 2022, and the new Epic Pro Plus ceramic coating with graphene. So, what is the difference between the two products? Epic Pro ceramic coating is a specially formulated coating that provides 3 years or 36,000 miles protection, a ceramic coating hardness up to 9H, and a high gloss finish. Epic Pro Plus uses the same high quality coating technology behind the Epic Pro and is enhanced with graphene to boost the durability of the finished product for 4 years or 48,000 miles, and a ceramic coating hardness up to 10H. When properly installed, both products in the Epic ceramic coating system will bond with the vehicle's clear coat to create a durable, hydrophobic surface that prevents dirt, water spots, and contaminants from adhering to the paint. The Epic Pro Plus is just enhanced with graphene to give it a boost in durability. The Epic ceramic coating system includes everything needed to properly ceramic coat a vehicle, including Epic Pro ceramic coating or Epic Pro Plus ceramic coating with graphene, prep wash concentrate, final prep wipe, CR2 Hydro Protect ceramic spray, and Epic Hydro Sheet Plus ceramic wash and wax with graphene. Today, we're going to show you how to properly install the Epic Pro Plus ceramic coating with graphene onto a vehicle. If you choose to use regular Epic Pro ceramic coating, the installation process is the same. Proper vehicle preparation is critical to applying Epic Pro Plus ceramic coating with graphene or regular Epic Pro ceramic coating. Start with the Epic Prep Wash. Diluted 1 to 128, this car wash produces large quantities of hard-working suds designed to remove dirt, road film, and other common automotive soils quickly, easily, and thoroughly. Once washed, clay the vehicle and remove any leftover surface debris. Next, you'll want to correct any surface imperfections with the Epic Paint Correction System. For proper installation of the ceramic coating, we recommend the Epic Paint Correction System to refine the surface before it's coated. Once you've cleaned and corrected the vehicle's surface, there's one more preparation step to take. The Epic Ceramic Final Prep Wipe will ensure there's no residue left behind and reduce static on the surface. Simply spray on and wipe clean with an ultra-soft, edgeless microfiber. Malco recommends that you wipe the entire vehicle first so that you can look for any imperfections that need to be touched up. Now, you're ready to apply the Epic Pro Plus ceramic coating. To get started, first shake the bottle to ensure the graphene is evenly distributed throughout the coating. Then, wrap the white suede cloth around the applicator. Be sure to position the sponge side of the applicator so that it's down on the panel and covered by the suede. Put 6 to 8 drops of ceramic coating directly onto the suede cloth. Starting with the hood of the vehicle, work on a 20-inch by 20-inch section of the vehicle at a time. And work the area to completion, then move on to a different part of the car. Apply the Epic ceramic coating in a cross-hatch pattern using even pressure. You'll be able to see the product transfer onto the panel. You will feel a slight resistance from the applicator, which is an indicator that you've worked the product onto the surface. The coated area will rainbow or flash within 30 to 90 seconds of application. To finish this section, wipe down the surface with a clean, fresh, ultra-soft, edgeless microfiber to remove any remaining residue. You'll be able to feel the difference on the surface of the panel where the ceramic starts and stops. Now, you're ready to move on to the next section. Simply repeat the application process on the entire vehicle. Continue working in 20-inch by 20-inch sections, using an overlapping technique on each section to ensure full coverage. And then use a clean, ultra-soft microfiber to smooth and level the sections of ceramic together. If the suede applicator or microfiber towel gets dirty, be sure to change to a clean one. The suede cloths are intended to be used once and then thrown away. When applying Epic Pro Plus ceramic coating with graphene, it is best to work in a humidity-controlled environment. Once the Epic Pro Plus ceramic coating is fully applied, it takes 7 days to fully cure. but after 12 hours in a humidity-controlled environment, the vehicle can be put back on the road, and after 24 hours, it can get wet. One 30 milliliter bottle should cover one vehicle. To maintain the best ceramic protection and longevity, apply Malco Epic CR2 Hydro Protect ceramic spray once every 6 months, and regularly wash the vehicle with Epic Hydro Sheet plus ceramic washing wax with Graphene. Epic CR2 ceramic spray is simple to apply and helps maintain the protective properties and the gloss of the ceramic coating. Simply spray Epic CR2 onto the vehicle and work it into the surface. Then wipe clean with an ultra-soft, edgeless microfiber towel. Regular washing of your vehicle using Epic Hydro Sheet Plus is recommended for maximum performance of the ceramic coating. We know ceramic coating is not new, but in closing, we want to remind you of some important points that will help you produce the best ceramic application possible. First and foremost, a clean, humidity-controlled working environment and a clean vehicle surface is critical. Dirt and contaminants can not only scratch the surface, but get stuck in the ceramic coating. Once those contaminants are in the coating would have to be buffed off and the application process restarted. For proper installation of our ceramic product, we do recommend using the Epic Paint Correction System to refine this surface. During this installation, we use the Epic Medium Cut followed by the Epic Finishing Polish to remove any scratch marks and swirls and to bring the luster up. At Malco, we think it is critical to correct the surface before putting on a protective coating. Next, when you're applying the Epic Pro or Epic Pro Plus ceramic coating, be sure to not oversaturate the Suede Cloth. 6 to 8 drops is more than enough product. It's not harmful to the application, but it uses excess product and will slow the process. When it comes to overlapping different sections of the vehicle, do at least one pass of overlap to ensure complete coverage. Failure to overlap might leave gaps in the ceramic coating that you might not notice right away. Should you desire to apply a second layer, it has to be done within 15 minutes to 1 hour of the initial application. So if you're doing the entire vehicle, do the hood twice and then move on to the next section. Do it twice and continue with the process. However, a second layer is not necessary. And finally, we just want to stress the cure times. As the product cures, the surface will start to develop a slick feel. The vehicle shouldn't be driven for at least 12 hours and should remain indoors in a humidity-controlled environment. It should be kept dry for at least 24 hours. Both Epic Pro Plus ceramic coating with Graphene and Epic Pro ceramic coating are fully cured after 7 days. Don't forget about using the Epic CR2 Hydro Protect at least once every 6 months and completing regular washings with Epic Hydro Sheet Plus. This will make sure the vehicle is protected and helps fulfill the ceramic coating's 4-year, 48,000 mile or 3-year, 36,000 mile durability, depending on the coating you choose. With the Epic Ceramic Coating System, you get an easy to install ceramic coating that provides lasting protection, slickness, and depth of gloss. Malco Ceramic is now Epic Pro Plus. To learn more about Malco Automotive products, visit malcoautomotive.com and make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information on automotive detailing.